Meet Lucy. She's 21 years old, and kindness is part of who she believes that respect begins with the smallest gestures, a smile, a helping hand, and patience with others.
Hello! This is Emma. She believes her time is more important than everyone else's. Instead of greeting people with kindness, she often ignores them. Rather than showing patience, she pushes ahead.
So you're Lucy, the woman who's always talking about respect and good manners? Honestly, that sounds exhausting. Lighten up. I live life my way, and I don't waste time trying to impress anyone. I choose kindness because it reflects my character. You don't have to agree, but I won't change who I am. We'll see about that. I'm sure we will. I have been waiting forever. Why should I stand here when I can just go ahead? I don't have time for this.
Ma'am, we're all waiting. Please stay in line.
Ugh, fine. But this is ridiculous. If I stand closer, maybe the line will move faster.
Excuse me, could you give me some space?
Fine, but it's not moving. Seriously? Why is this place always so slow? I don't have time to stand around waiting. Ugh, still on hold. This is ridiculous. I can't believe I have to wait in this line. Come on, pick up already. I've been waiting. I'm not giving up my place for anyone. Can you please hurry up? I've already wasted so much time here. I need this done right now. Yeah, I'm at the bank. Everyone can wait. This call is more important. Tell me everything. No way. She really said that? Excuse me, miss. Could you please lower your voice? Oh, hold on. Some lady is trying to shush me. Anyway, go on. I'll just grab a bunch of forms. If I don't need them, someone else can deal with the mess. Are you almost finished? I just need a quick look. This is taking too long.
Ma'am, please wait behind the privacy line.
Ugh, fine. But hurry up.
Excuse me, this is private.
It's just a pen. I'll keep it. I need one anyway.
Hey, where's the pen? She took it.
Come on. Can you hurry up? I just need 1 minute. Excuse me, please respect the privacy line. This machine is useless. Why isn't it working? Someone should fix this. Just fill this out for me. I don't have time to figure it out myself. Ma'am, please calm down. Can you explain the issue one step at a time? I need this done now. It's urgent. Everyone should know how long I've been waiting. This service is unbelievable.
Ma'am, please lower your voice. Everyone can hear you.
I don't care. I've been waiting forever.
Ma'am, I understand. Let's discuss this quietly.
I don't care if you're about to close. Finish all of these transactions right now. I'm sorry, ma'am, but these transactions will take some time. Unacceptable. I need this done now. We'll do our best, ma'am. It's not my job to clean this place. Someone else will take care of it. Good morning. Thank you for welcoming me. I'll wait for my turn and respect everyone's time.
Good morning, miss. You're very welcome.
Such lovely manners. Please, go ahead. Oh, thank you very much. Everyone is waiting for their turn. Being patient makes things easier for everyone. We'll be helped soon. Oh, is this the line? Yes, ma'am. Right here behind me. Thank you, dear. Good morning. I appreciate your help. Could you please guide me through this process? Thank you for your time. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Thank you. Let's see what we have here. Everyone deserves a little personal space. Waiting respectfully makes the experience more comfortable for all. Please, go ahead. Take your time. I can wait a little longer.
Thank you, my dear. That's very kind.
Of course. Have a wonderful day. Public spaces belong to all of us. Cleaning up after ourselves helps everyone enjoy a comfortable environment. I'll read the instructions carefully. Taking a moment now helps avoid mistakes later. Good afternoon. Could you please help me understand this section of the form? I'd really appreciate your guidance. Thank you.
Of course, this part is straightforward. Let me show you.
Thank you so much. I understand it's a busy day. Thank you for taking the time to help me.
Of course, happy to help. I'll just need to see some ID.
Certainly, here you go.
Perfect, I'll get this processed for you.
Thank you so much for your assistance. I really appreciate your help. Have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome. You have a wonderful day as well.
This pen is for everyone. I'll return it so the next customer can use it easily. Thank you. I'll wait here until it's my turn. Everyone deserves privacy while handling their banking. Thank you for your patience. Next, please. Thank you, I appreciate it. How can I assist you today? I'll take only the form I need and leave this area clean so the next customer can use it comfortably. Excuse me. Hello, I'm currently inside the bank. May I call you back in a few minutes? Thank you for understanding. Good afternoon. Could you please help me understand this section of the form? I'd really appreciate your guidance. Thank you.
Of course, this part is straightforward. Let me show you.
Thank you so much. I'll wait until you're finished. Please take your time. I understand you're closing soon. If this transaction needs more time, I'll happily come back tomorrow. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for understanding. Tomorrow morning would be perfect.
Ma'am, please lower your voice. We're here to help, but we expect everyone to treat our staff with respect.
Respect? This service is terrible. I'll speak however I want.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Since you refuse to cooperate, I'll have to ask you to leave the bank.
Fine. I don't need this bank anyway.
You're welcome back when you're ready to treat everyone with respect.
Whatever. Ms. Lucy, your transaction is complete. Thank you for your patience and kindness. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for visiting us, Lucy. It was a pleasure assisting you. We look forward to welcoming you again. Thank you. Your kindness made my visit even better. See you again soon.
Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
You too. Take care. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Take care.
Kindness, patience, and respect don't take much effort, but they make every place better for everyone. So, Emma, after today, whose approach do you think worked better? Yours. I let my anger make things worse. The good news is, every day gives us a chance to choose better. Maybe it's time I start.